This is Shipra again, and I am here with my new DIY activity. So, before we do our activity, we just say some beautiful lines. Yes, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. And I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for this beautiful fish painting. And the secret is that the fins and the tails are made of, yes, the muffin linings or the cupcake linings, kids. So let me just tell you, you need 2 to 3, depending on the number of fishes you want to make. I will be making 2 fishes now. You can see I've made 3 here. I will be making 2. So depending on that, you will be basically needing, for 1 fish, you might need 1.5 to 2 linings. Okay, 2 paper cup linings. Then other material is these paper cup linings I have told you, the black color sheet, acrylic or watercolor. This time I am using both my colors, acrylic and water both. Then a pencil to draw the fishes, brushes, little glue to stick the paper cup linings, and the scissor to cut it, and a black sketch pen. Okay, so whatever color you want to use, you can use. I will be doing 2 fishes just now. Let me just quickly tell you, you know how to draw a fish? Yes. So we are going to make a leaf like a thing. And this way. Again, a leaf like a thing. And our fishes are drawn. So the tail will not be visible, kids. The tail will not be visible. So we are not worried about the tail. We will color this and then we'll make the. So for that, I am using orange color first. So you can just do a little contrast with your color of the on the your paper cup. So I have orange color and I have a pink color. So I will be doing a red, orange and a red fish. So we'll be taking directly from the. So I'm using acrylic colors here. We'll do simple coloring, brush coloring, and then we'll use the marker to make the outlines and all. So we are basically using acrylic colors so that it dries fast. Okay. You can color this also, although this will not be visible. And we'll use it. I will be doing red for with this. Any colors you can take, as I told you, that we just need the little contrast with our paper cup lining. So I will start doing red color for this fish. So we have done this red color according to the cup cake linings we have. Let it dry. Till that time, I will be making the water with my blue color, kids. So I'm just randomly doing the waves. So it's just the look of the simple look of water. Okay. This is done. And till the time it is drying, kids, we will just cut our paper cups. Okay, those linings. So what I'm going to do, I will just divide it into, this is the thing, I will divide it like this. Okay, from the center, and will cut it. So I will cut it from here also. And we can simply stick it. We are just waiting for this one to dry. Till that time, we can just apply glue here and we can stick it. Okay. Just apply very little glue and you can stick it. Same way, I will be taking this one. Or you can take a little bigger piece like this. And this will come out like this. Okay, again apply glue. This side also a little bit. And this side also a little bit. Okay, and push it inside. Like this. Just press it, it will stick. So the tail of the fish has been done. Now we'll do the wings. So for the wings, we will be dividing it into again a half like this, and we'll reduce the size from here also. Just keep it like this. Okay, fine. Again, we'll apply glue and this is done. Again, this side. And this is done. So your one fish is ready, and we will just do the outline with a black sketch pen. We'll make the eyes and the mouth. So my color is little wet, but it's fine. So same way, we'll go with the other one. I will just tell you again the cutting. What I have taken this muffin cup lining. I have folded it from here, and then I have just cut it from the center. Then again, I have cut it from the center. So little here and there, you need to check it according to the size of your fish. So you can reduce the size. Like this one I have done simply with just one paper cup lining only. So I will show you this one also. This is done. So we have made the tails. Now we are adding the fins. And both our fish are almost ready. The second fin. Now the size of the fin will depend on the size of the fish you have made, kids. Now we'll do the simple outline. And we'll make the eyes. So you can see here I have made 3 fishes. So basically you just need 1 paper cup lining for 1 fish. And you can easily make this beautiful fish painting with paper cups or cupcake lining. So I hope the instructions were clear. It was easy. It was simple. Do share your pictures. Do share your feedback. And let us know how you have liked it. So thank you for watching this video. I, Shipra, is going to come up again with new DIY activities. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.